Hello everyone. I was facing a problem that in our absence we go for work as some are students and some work for jobs, but in the absence the little buddies get alone. And here I'm talking about the plants, garden plants, the mini plants which beautifies our house and nature and provide us the freshness and the purified oxygen which we needed and we feel refreshed. So the main problem which is coming up about their improper monitoring where they get lacked by the proper water supply and the mineral requirement which they need required for their growth. So I am building a system, a smart greenhouse which can measure the moisture level of different plants more than one. Along with that, I'm using a DHT22 sensor which will measure the temperature around the plant, a BS 1750 sensor which is a light sensor which will tell the intensity of light which is falling around the plant, by which we can analyze the sunlight intensity which is getting to the plant and conclude the why it is getting dried or the moisture, the water, how much they need it. So let's start with this software and then I'm going to explain the working of my project. But foremost, I'm going to tell the hardware which I am using. So here is the basic connection. I have used a Raspberry Pi which is connected to the Arduino Nano 33 IoT with the serial communication through a USB cable, and all the connection are done to the Arduino Nano. I have connected a DHT22 sensor, a BH1750 light sensor, a 2 soil moisture sensor where you can see these are now in ideal state, and a relay module where the batteries are connected, and a water pump along with a water pump which will water the plants through these pipes. So this is the basic connections for the project. So here I have defined the libraries of light sensor and DHT sensors and M1 and M2 for defining the pins of the moisture sensor. Along with that, D1 and D2 are the pins of relay modules, and in the serial and in the void setup I have used the serial begin to start the communication and define the inputs and outputs of the pin of motor 1 and 2 and relay modules, and begin the light meter DHT sensor that will start the communication, and in the void loop where the whole communication take place, the M1 and M2 moisture sensor will read the value and convert it into the percentage of like 0 to 100. So I have used some condition here. If the moisture level get below a value 30, then the water pump will turn on, and else it will remain off. Same for the condition for the second moisture level, and I have used a float lux like for reading the value of the light sensor and it will print after it. So I have you, and along with that a DHT temperature sensor which will print the temperature value around the plant. So all this will print temperature, light, moisture level of plant 1 and moisture level of plant 2. And this is all about the Arduino Nano code. Now the code for the Raspberry Pi, I have imported some libraries like serial RPI, GPIO as GPIO for the GPIO pins, a ULIP request library. It is used to hit the data which is going to be transferred to the IoT cloud, like and it get visualized on a web page. So to provide that link in the code, so this library is required, and to put the time delays in between, I have used a time library. So in the serial command, global str is declared, where it will start the serial communication between Arduino Nano and Raspberry Pi, and it will return the value. And GPIO pins. So in the while loop, when the serial communication begins, it will find the temperature, light intensity, moisture 1 and moisture 2 of the plant, and it will print all the temperature, light intensity values. So after this, a link where the visualization of this temperature, light intensity, moisture level and could be seen with a graph where the fields are defined for each, and it will get printed on the ThinkSpeak, and a time delay of 0.1 seconds. So this is all about the software. So I have run this my program. Here you can see the temperature value, it's 21.80, and the light intensity along with that moisture level of plant 1 and plant 2. So initially it is in ideal state, moisture levels are out of the plant, so it's showing the value 0. Now we can see it's working outside and near the plant. So here is the working setup for my project. As you can see, I have inserted two soil moisture sensors in the plant pot and provided a water supply with through these pipes. When the moisture get below, the water supply will turn on and close automatically. Same with this also. The water supply has been supplied. Same could be also seen, the values could be also seen here, like the value of temperature 22, light, and the M1 and M2 are the moisture content of plant 1 and 2. Same, the visualization could also be seen on the ThinkSpeak, where a graphical representation. Here it, here it shows the temperature, light intensity, moisture 1 and moisture 2 of the plants, along with the time and date. So this is all about my project. Thank you.